Hello, today I will show you how you could download and install Oracle VirtualBox on a Windows 11 machine. So before we proceed, I would like to uh, download and install the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable runtime because most applications rely on that during installation, and without that you won't be able to install VirtualBox. And we do not have this on this system for tutorial purposes, and I will show you how you could do that. So first of all, I have the direct link to download these runtimes. So I'm going to be downloading the 64-bit and 32-bit for this Visual C++ runtime, and I'll be putting the link on the description as well. So this is the 64-bit I just downloaded. I will proceed to download the 32-bit, that's the x64. I'll go ahead to download that. So you will be seeing that on my file explorer. Now if you already have this on your computer, you don't need to install it again. So I will go ahead to install this, double clicking, and I'll agree install. Now it doesn't take time. So I'm done with this. I'll proceed to install the second one, that is the 32-bit, and it's usually recommended to have the two runtime, both 64 and 32-bit. You never know, which one your application will need. Okay, that's it. So we can now proceed to install VirtualBox. So I would recommend to download VirtualBox from the official site. So the official site, if you do not know the link, you can just browse for VirtualBox, and this is the official site, virtualbox.org. So we can go ahead to click on download to get to the download page. And since we are downloading on for Windows 11, so we click on Windows host, and here you go. The download is already in progress. So once the download is complete, we can proceed to install the VirtualBox. That is what we have here. All right, now we can proceed to double click on VirtualBox. So we have this. So click on next, agree to licensing agreement, click on next. So this is where you can determine the installation location where the configuration will be saved, and this is the default. And this, if you do not have any specific reason to change this, I would recommend you proceed with the default settings. However, if you have a special need that will require you to change this installation location, you can proceed with that. But for now, you click on next. Okay, you click on yes, click on yes again, and leave these buttons checked. And go ahead to click on next, click on install. So it is already installing, and here we can go ahead to monitor the status. So once the installation is complete, we would launch the application. All right. Okay, installation is complete now. So I will leave this button checked to start Oracle VirtualBox. So I'm going to click on finish and wait for the application to launch. Okay, so that is it. We have our VirtualBox manager open. So this is the interface. You can go ahead to navigate the manager in order to achieve what you want. You can also go ahead to create a virtual machine. That's if you already have an ISO image. I'll be creating another video in order to be able to do this. to show you how you could create a virtual machine while using a VirtualBox. If you found this tutorial video helpful, give this video a like because it helps the channel to reach more people. And also make sure you subscribe and turn on notification for tutorial videos like this. Thank you.